Hi everyone, it's James here at Your Next Car, bringing you the walk around video of the 420i M Sport Coupe. As always, we're going to begin with a walk around the exterior whilst I talk you through some of the features and options. Then I'm going to make my way around. I'm going to go ahead, take a seat inside the vehicle, where once we're there we will of course go through some of the interior features and details. This vehicle is presented in the black sapphire metallic, and of course we finished the exterior off with the full Your Next Car MPerformance body styling kit. Alongside that, we've added the 20-inch 666 competition style alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres. You will see at the front of the vehicle is a 2015 15 plate and comes with the very nice angel eye and the xenon headlamps. Alongside that, this vehicle does feature a wide array of very nice optional extras. One of those being included, you'll see straight away, is that glass sunroof, which costs over £800 from BMW. And of course currently we've got that in the tilt mode, and of course when I step inside I will of course put that all the way back for you to take a look at. You'll also notice the privacy glass that the vehicle comes with. I'm going to go ahead and take a close-up glance at the 20-inch alloy wheels. You'll also see we have the gloss black air breathers. Going down the side of the vehicle, we have the satin side vinyls and the MPerformance decals. I'm going to quickly go ahead and show you the interior on this vehicle, which matches in very nicely, once again being the black Dakota leather, which not only on this vehicle has the heated seat function, we also have electric movement and memory for driver's side. The interior trim is the very nice brushed aluminium and high gloss black, and of course having that sunroof option really does open up the interior cabin for a more airy, and of course lets a lot more light in, even when it is just in the tilt option there. Rear seats in the 4 Series, you get a ISOFIX 2x2 rear seat, centre folding armrest and a centre storage tray there, and it's a very nice spacious place to be, even for taller rear passengers. And of course for front passengers is an exceptionally spacious place to sit, and a very comfortable one at that as well. Making our way to the very rear of the car, where we have the high gloss rear boot spoiler and the satin diffuser, and of course one of the larger boot spaces for a coupe vehicle, as you can see there. They also benefit from having the split folding seat function, so of course should you require any further room, that is not a problem, as you simply drop both rear seats down without a problem. And we'll shut that boot down now and head round to the other side of the car. Well, once again we'll just take a minute to appreciate how well these two colours do work together, and of course how well the 20-inch 666 competition style alloys sit on the 4 Series that we have here for you today. So as I've mentioned, it is the 420i, so that is the 181 brake horsepower 2-litre petrol engine, combined with the fantastic 8-speed sports auto that this vehicle is also equipped with. Makes for a very nice everyday vehicle with a superb sporty feel to it. Now I'm going to sit inside the vehicle. Straight away you'll notice the difference with having that sunroof. It immediately does feel a lot more light inside the vehicle. And I'm going to begin with opening that all the way up for you, which will also allow a lot more light into the vehicle. And of course it does mean you don't always have to have the aircon on should you not want to, which will of course reduce that fuel consumption. And not only that, that will also give you that little bit more engine power if you're concerned generally about that sort of thing. However, it is also there just to add that bit more interior feel to the vehicle. So with that open, we're going to go on to the other functions and features. We have of course the professional wide navigation and media screen. There is the nav function there. We've also got Bluetooth audio and Bluetooth telephone, DAB radio, and a wide array of multimedia inputs as well. Dual climate control, which is also where you'll find the switches for the heated seats. And as I've already mentioned, we have that absolutely superb 8-speed sports auto, which is why we have the flapper paddles situated on the multi-function M Sport steering wheel. Alongside that you find the cruise control, speed limiter function, voice and volume controls. The vehicle itself has covered at just over 58,000 miles. We also have the extended storage feature on this vehicle, which gives you a few more cubby holes and storage pockets around the vehicle, which of course is always nice for day-to-day usage. As always, I do hope you found this walk around video useful. If you do have any questions, please do feel free to drop them down below in the comments. And as always, there will be a link down below in the description, where of course you can check out further details in regards to prices and finance options for this fantastic car. If you've not yet already done so, please remember to hit the subscribe button. That way you can be kept up to date with all our latest and newest stock here at Your Next Car. Thanks for watching, take care, goodbye.